Hi, good afternoon. So this is my task number one for assignment number two. So this task will basically uh, list all the items in this directory. So first we need to import 2s for to enable communication with the operating system. Then import a regular expression to use some expression for matching the items. So this variable all items that will be searched or matched will be saved on this variable. So this variable will get the current directory. So I created a function for this and then used for loop to list the items inside the directory. To filter or search for the match that ends with .txt um, extension, I use re.search, then .txt $sign for for a for a string that ends with .txt. So absolute path is equal to the directory, the current directory, and the file name of the listed item. So yeah, this one is for calling the function for the program to execute this line of code. So for task number two, wait, let's try to run this one first. So yeah, this is all the items inside my directory. Wait, it's this one. So yeah, this is all the text files. So for the task number two, um, I used some of the line of code from the task number one. So here I created a function for getting the directory name because the user will enter which folder or directory name she wants or he wants to be searched. Then this one is for taking the address or the directory name and then changing the path to the new directory. So I also created another function for listing the file. So count means all the match items or files will be counted from here. Then a file type for when user entered the file type that they wants to be searched. So all items will be stored here. Then starting character, the program will ask the user to enter starting few characters from the file name that they want to be looked or searched. So with open to create a new file name that text as a new file, and we will write it on from the below line. So I use for loop for the same from task 1. I use for loop for listing the items inside the directory. So I use re.search to look for a match that starts with the starting character that the user entered earlier, and re.ignore to ignore the case either the user entered lowercase or uppercase. It will be ignored. Then um, the file type that was entered, so the program will look for a match that ends with the file type that was entered by the user. So all the items that are that are matched will be written on the new file that was created earlier. And so the program will print how many items were found or match files found, and then where can we find the file name .txt. So yeah, calling the functions. So let's try. So now let's check this one. So this is the file name, the txt that was created, and these are the items listed on the week 1 directory. So let's cross check. So the .pptx, I have 4, but the starting character, which is INF, I only have 2. So yeah, only 2. So as you can see, even if I entered small INF, it also took the capital letters from the folder that I am searching. So I guess that would be all for my assignment number 2 in task automation.